In this video, we will learn about fruits.
Mango. This is mango. Banana. This is banana. Orange. This is orange. Pineapple. This is pineapple. Grapes. These are grapes. Kiwi. This is kiwi. Strawberry. This is strawberry. Papaya. This is papaya. Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. Cherry. This is cherry. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Dragon fruit. This is dragon fruit. Custard apple. This is custard apple. Guava. This is guava. Jackfruit. This is jackfruit. Peach. This is peach.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Kitty's World channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.